say I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Alright. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Hey y'all,
the first for you and
back with you
me.
today with another new recipe.
Another year
Just in
went
time for your
by,
turkey leftovers
but the difference
for Thanksgiving.
is
We're going to
that
make
ever since July,
a turkey wild rice soup, and I'm going to use this leftover turkey to do so. So let's get started. I've already got my rice cooked, and it's finishing its cooking time in some boiling water that I've got set off the stove. I always boil my rice, let it cook for a few minutes, and then cut it off and let it sit in the water for just a little while. Alright, I've got it set aside. So now we're going to start the vegetables. You need to have about a medium-high heat. You need to put in some diced carrots, diced onion, diced celery, and you need to cook these until the carrots are tender, which will take several minutes.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
4 cups, and I need to add 6. So let me get some more. I do make mine with bouillon. I just like to do that. I grew up that way, and it's just always available for me. I don't have to, you know, cook a chicken or anything to get what I need. All I have to do is put in some water, heat the water up, and it's ready to go. Let me get that heated up. Okay, so continue to let that cook. Now, this is supposed to be a creamy turkey rice soup, and I'm not going to make it creamy. But I will give you the full recipe. That way you can do the last half of it. You'll make a roux, and then it'll be more of a cream-based soup. One of our family members can't handle that too much on their stomach, so we're just going to make it more broth-based this time. Should work out just as good. Alright, while we're waiting on the last 2 cups of that chicken broth to be ready, we're going to go ahead and add our spices. We need a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. A tablespoon of parsley. I'm not going to get too overwhelmed with the parsley because I'm not a fan. Alright, this is a teaspoon of fresh rosemary. And I have dried, so we're going to just half that. Quarter teaspoon of red pepper flake. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some bay leaves in there. Y'all know I like to do that. So we're going to put 3 bay leaves in. You gotta remember to take those out before we serve it. Okay, I've already turned my heat down on low. I'm on about a 3 on my electric stove, and I need to add the last of that broth that I made. So that's 6 cups of broth. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the meat. Now I chopped this off of my leftover turkey, but you could do leftover chicken or turkey, it doesn't matter. So the rice is a wild rice blend that I got off Amazon because my local stores don't carry it. And I mixed some parboiled rice with it, and the recipe does tell you to do that. It tells you to, it didn't say parboiled, it said just basmati rice, but parboiled is our favorite. So I just, and it called for a half a cup of dry on each one, but I just went ahead and did about 3/4 on each one. Okay, and then you're supposed to add 3 cups of turkey or chicken, and this is turkey, and there you go. So, just let this slowly simmer for a little while until everything's had a time, time enough to incorporate. Let me see what the recipe says, how long to cook. It doesn't really say. I like to just do this for at least an hour or so. Let everything kind of go together and let the broth cook down just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to put a lid on this and let it slowly simmer. I'll see you back here in a little while. Okay, soup's all done. It only took just a little while to simmer. I've already removed the bay leaves and it tastes great. You may want to add some salt and pepper to it. You can use turkey stock or turkey broth as well. I forgot to note that. Really easy and quick. Great way to use some leftovers. See y'all next time.